RedMagic 11 Pro has been launched in global markets outside China. Pricing for the RedMagic 11 Pro starts at $699 in the US for the base 12GB plus 256GB model. The RedMagic 11 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon Elite Gen 5 chipset and features up to 24GB of RAM and 1TB of built-in storage, and boasts an aquacore cooling system, which combines a vapor cooling chamber with waterproof fan cooling, a flowing liquid cooling system. The RedMagic 11 Pro sports a 6.85-inch BOE x 10 AMOLED display with a resolution of 2688 by 1216 pixels, a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, peak brightness of 1800 nits, and Corning Gorilla Glass protection. The RedMagic 11 Pro is equipped with a triple rear camera setup comprising 50MP plus 50MP plus 2MP sensors, along with a 16MP front camera. It packs a 7,500 mAh battery supporting 80W wired and up to 80W wireless fast charging. The phone measures 8.9mm in thickness and weighs 230 grams. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.